non-racket, you can have fry pan, anything you want. Just you need something flat to bounce or any kind of ball. You don't need a ping pong ball, no problem. Yes, you can have hairbrush and you can have any kind of ball, small ball. Yes. Yes. Now we will do kind of uh, bouncing. Okay. We have to bounce the ball. Yes, nice one. So what you have to do, take your racket like this, do shake hand. So you have to do, you have to shake it with your racket or anything. Place it like this, and you just need to bounce. Yes, nice one. You just need to bounce
But your
on
video
the
is
racket. Okay.
not can hear you clearly.
We will do 50 count.
We can see you.
See me?
Your video is stuck
You can
and
see
we can
me?
also. No, your video is stuck.
You can hear me? I'm sorry.
Your video is stuck.
Is this okay now? Yes. Yes. Is this okay now? Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to bounce the ball. I will count 50 counts, okay? 50 counts of bouncing the ball, okay? On anything. Yes. Now 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Nice one, Sana. You're doing good job. 9, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Nice one, Maria. Yes. 25, 26. Vakil, sir, you have to do practical with us. Yes. Yes. 30, 31, 32. Nice one, Kuratulan. Nice one, Zain Khan. Good job. Yes. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Yes, 50. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to twist your racket, or you have any fry pans or backside of fry pan, and now you have to bounce the ball 50 counts. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Start. We will start in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20. Yes, come on, good job. 30, 31, 32. Yes, 36. Good job. Nice one, Mavish. You are doing great job. 40, 41, 42, 43. Yes. Nice one. Great job. Yes, 50. Okay. Now what you have to do, next exercise, now you have to do one backhand, one forehand. You have to do like this. Okay. A tough job, but it's good for your control. Okay. Okay. 50 counts. We will start in 5 seconds. Relax. Take deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Yes. Nice one, Tila. Great job. Yes. 31. Yes, Junaid, good control. Try to move your wrist, fully wrist. You have to move your wrist like this. Yes, full wrist. Yes. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yes, you did a great job. So now you are ready to learn forehand topspin. So I will go to the reflection of last session. It's a bit theory session. I need everyone to come closer to the screen. Yes, you can have rest and you can learn and hear some of theory from me. Okay, in last session, what we have learned forehand topspin, right? Okay, we have learned forehand topspin, in which I will give you a 5 minutes overthrow of last session, in which we have learned how to hit forehand topspin. Your hand should be of 90-degree angle like this. Okay, okay, it's a basic position. So whenever you're hitting the ball, first of all, forehand topspin is most important stroke of table tennis. It's important to initiate the ball. If you're not initiating the ball, you can't have a point. So about 90% point you can win in table tennis if you can initiate the ball. Okay. So basic angle is 90-degree angle, but when we're hitting the forehand topspin, you have to move like this, but your racket shouldn't go down from your butt. Okay. It should be up from your hip bone. Okay. It's like this. But when you're starting the topspin, it should be something like about, I can say, 130-degree angle. 130-degree angle would be starting. Okay. Now you will be slowly moving. Okay. Now you are here. When the ball is going to hit, you have to move. Use your wrist, and racket should be of 90-degree angle. And when you are finishing the ball, it's something 30-degree angle. Okay. I will explain one more time. Starting time. First of all, learn the hand angle. Starting time 130-degree. Hitting time 90-degree. Finish time 30-degree. Okay. Yes, nice one. So now the angles of terms of forehand, like of bat, is something like 90-degree angle. And you see it's a straight line. If you move it like this, it's 40-degree angle, 45-degree angle, 50 to 45. So it's like average angle. Every player have different angle according to their rubber. But for average, if you have 40-degree angle, so you never miss the ball. It will be about not so aggressive, not so slow, but you never, if you are hitting like this, you will never miss the ball. Okay. So 40-degree angle for this. But now we'll come to first point, 130-degree, 90-degree. When there is 90-degree, you have to use your wrist. Yes, like 130, 90-degree angle, use your wrist, and when you're 30-degree angle, so your wrist should be fully like this, fully used. Okay, you will understand it better by doing some kind of shadow. Okay, yes, nice one. So we are doing some shadow training. I need everyone to get back to your field. Stand like this. Stand like this, everyone. Yeah, everyone stand like this. Yes. Relax your hand. Open your legs. Not so much, but about normal open. Okay. Your left foot for right people. Okay. Righty. Your left foot should be a little bit in front. Left foot, left. And your feet toes should be facing towards the side, not like this. It should be like this, facing towards the side. Yes, nice one. Okay, now your body posture should be like a chair. Can you see? It's like a chair. Yes, chair. Yes. Now we will do our angle drill. 130, 90, 30. Yes, 130, 90, 30. 130, 90, 1. Yes, 130, 90, 30. Yes, yes, come on. You can do it 3 steps. 130, 90, 30. Yes, 190. Yes, 130, 90. Yes, come on. Keep doing like this. Break the full shadow in 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Don't move your body. Just move your hand. Yes. And you have to stop in front of your nose. It's not compulsory. You can go like this, but better to stop in front of your nose. Yes. Yes. Come on. Keep doing. Keep doing. Keep doing. Yes. We are doing this for next 2 minutes. I will be observing everyone. Yes. Nice one. Tila Junior. Nice one, Junaid. Junaid, don't move your body. Don't move your body. Just hand. Junaid, just hand. Just hand. Just hand. Just correct your hand movement. Sana, close your racket. Close your racket. Yes, nice one. Keep going. Yes. Sarham is doing good analysis. Yes. Nice one, Maria. Good job. Nice, Arif. Nice one, Saeed. Yes, good. Yes, don't move your body. Don't move your body. Just make posture like this. Just move your hand in C-sharp. Like 1, 2, 3. Like 130-degree 1, 2 is 90-degree, 30-degree is 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, keep doing. Don't move your body. Yes. Yes, nice one, Zen. Nice one, Zen. Yes, good job. Yes, Sarvakil, you have to perform. Nice one, Kurlan. Don't move your. Yes, nice one. Yes, nice. Yes, Mavish, don't move your body. Don't move. Just learn the angles of racket. Mavish, don't move your body. Yes, Zen Farouk, I want to see your style. Please on your cams, please, guys. So I can correct your mistakes. Yes, Mavish. Nana, keep doing. Yes, open your anger. Yes, something like this. Good. Okay, keep doing, keep doing, keep doing same exercise. But remember, your racket should be facing your opponent. When you are on 130-degree angle, your racket should be facing the opponent. 90-degree, your racket facing to your opponent. But when 30-degree, your racket face should be facing to the sideward. Okay. 130, 90, opponent, 30 toward the side. Yes. Keep going. Yes, keep doing, everyone. Keep doing. Nice. Nice, Sila. Nice. Okay. Now we are involving one thing with it. 1, 2, 3. So when 130-degree angle, your feet should be like your weight, body weight should be on your right feet. Come closer to the camera, you will be easy to see it. I think it's better if I put this camera here. It would be easy for you. Yes, just a second. I'm placing here. Yes. Okay. Yes. When 130-degree angle, your weight on your right leg, okay? When 90-degree angle, your weight on both legs. When 30-degree angle, your weight is on left leg. Should I repeat? Okay, one more time. Watch it carefully. When 130-degree angle, my hand is 130-degree angle, my weight is on my right leg. Now my 90-degree racket angle is 90. Can you see this 90-degree angle? 90-degree angle, yes. So my weight is on both legs. But now the when angle is 30 degrees, so my weight is on left leg. It's for righty people. For lefties, it's opposite. If everyone is clear, so keep being practical. If you have any problem, you can raise your hand. Yes, do it slow motion. It will be easy for you. Yes, 90-degree angle. Weight on this leg, right leg. It will be like weight means like your right leg will be like bend. Now 130-degree angle from here. It's about 90-degree angle. So weight is on both legs. But when the racket is 30-degree angle, this weight on left leg. So it will be like spring. Can you see? Yes. Yeah. Ah, ah, ah. Yes. Yes. Make it with rhythm or you can do slow motion. Yes. I will count 50 counts. Do it very slowly. Very slowly. Analyze your motion. Yes. 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 Better to your. It's better to have your left hand like this, or it's not compulsory to do like this, no matter, but better to have here. Or if you can't control, you can hold your shirt like this. Yes, very slowly, very slowly. Stroke should be like, if you do slow motion, you will understand what are you doing. Slowly. Yes, 130-degree angle. This knee should be bent. Okay, now 90. My both legs should be like normal. Now 30-degree. The whole weight is on left leg. It's like kind of action to reaction, like kind of spring motion, like this. Yes. Ah, ah, ah. Yes. Come on. Yes. Good job. Nice one, Tila. You are a good student. Nice one, Junaid. Junaid, make it slowly. Slowly, slow. Very slow. Observe your motion. Yes, slow. Slowly. Like about 4x motion, like something like 4x, like four times slower. Yes, nice one, Tila. Sana, close your racket. Your racket is so open. Remember, whenever you do shadow, close your racket about 45 degrees. Yes, nice one. Hold your racket like this. Your finger on your racket should be like this. Your right, like your writing finger would be like this on back of the racket. Like, not like this, like this. Yes, nice one. Nice one, Tila. You're doing great job with your mirror. Yes, excellent. Good job. Nice one, Maria. Yes, use your leg like spring. Yes, excellent. Yeah. Nice one, Kuratulan. Kuratulan, you're bending like really like this. Don't do that. Your back should be straight, but your hip bone should be bent like this. Don't do like this. If you do like this, you will be like after first set any match, you will be tired. So do like this. Your back should be straight. Let your butt to out like this. Yes, nice one. Do like this. Do like this. Yes. Okay. 90. Weight like this. Like 90-degree. Weight on both legs. 30. Weight on left leg. Yes. Come on. I'm watching you. Yes. Excellent. Yes. Gratulan. Be flexible. Be flexible like this. Yes. 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 Don't do that. Don't move whole body like this. Move whole body, but where it wants, like this. I'm starting like this. This feet moving like this, like this. I'm not doing like this. I'm just moving my upper body like this, like this. Weight on this, 90 degree. Weight on both legs, 30 degree. Weight on left leg. Yes. Ah, yes. Yes, slowly, slowly. Make it slowly. Slowly, relax. Come on. Nice one. Yes. Nice one, Shiraz, sir. Yes, good job. Wow, we have little star. Nice one, Sir Vakil. You're producing great players. Yes, Stacy, how are you? Good job. Excellent job. Yes. Keep going. Yeah. Slowly. Yes. Slow motion. Do it slowly. Yes. Yes. Keep doing, everyone. Keep doing. Use your feet like spring. Yeah. Yes. 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 Great job. Come on, keep doing. Yeah. Your racket should end in front of your nose. See, your racket should be stop in front of your nose. Yes. You are stopping here. It should be stop here. Yes. Good job. Good job. Yes, great. Okay. Now we are doing the same stroke, but in normal way. Something like now you are getting good rhythm. So we will stop the slow motion. Now we are doing like this. One more time, listen. 130-degree angle like this. Weight on this leg. 90-degree. Weight on both legs. 30-degree like this. Weight on left leg. So you will start from your hip bone and stop in front of your nose. Starting from your hip bone, stop in front of your nose. Yes. Okay. Now you can do in normal rhythm. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 12, 13. Yes, we have break after this session. Come on. Yes. Good job, Tila. Don't move your left hand like this. Do less motion from your left hand. Little motion, little. Don't do like this. Hold it like here and little. It will move from your waist automatically. Yes, nice one, Sana. Good job. Nice one, Junaid. Make it shorter. Junaid, your hand is coming from down. It should come from your hip bone, from here. You're doing like this. It's not good. Long head is a disadvantage because you're having ball coming very fast. You will be opening your hand for everything, so it will be difficult. Open your hand till your hip bone and stop here. Yes. Yes, good job. Keep doing. Yes. Last 20 seconds. Come on. Speed up. Speed up. Yes. Last 15 seconds. Come on, Mavish. Come on, Hassan. Great job. Last 10 seconds. Nice one, Stacy. You are a ping pong player. Nice one, Nana. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, everyone, you can have 3 minutes break. Have a sip of water and come back in 3 minutes. Good job. You guy. You're doing great job. Yes, we have 3 minutes break. If anyone who want to talk to me, they can. They can unmute their mics.
Coach, this was my first time. I enjoyed lot, but I'm very much tired.
No, you're doing great job. You're doing great.
It was
It's
difficult
it's
for
not
me for the
important for only ping pong players. Even everyone can fit themselves from this exercise. Yes, anyone have question or wanna discuss something? Yes, Stacy, good job. Have your lemonade. Hello, Amanda.
So you're on this side, your hand is like this, right? Your finger
Yeah,
is here.
Tila, wait a second. I'm watching you. Just a second.
then-
Yes.
What does it look like over here? Is that how the hand is?
I am coming on this or something. It's on it's forehand like this and backhand. Move your racket like this. Yes, and forehand like this. Yeah, you are great learner.
Okay. Okay.
Great job.
I'm learning so much.
You are amazing glass racket. Yes, 1.5 minutes to go in finishing the break. Relax yourself. Have lemonade, have juices, but not so much. Can someone bring lemonade for me? I'm thirsty. Yeah. So basically, today's session was like some of the participants want me to conduct foreign top spin session again. That's why I repeated this session for foreign top spin. And maybe for next session, we will be having counter top foreign top spin. So we have 30 seconds more break and then we are going to start. Okay, so everyone is ready? If you're ready, just do thumbs up. Okay, nice. Everyone is ready. Okay. So now you have good idea about how to have foreign toxin. So we'll be like moving like this time, okay? Before we have done in warm-up, we have done this exercise. Like this, moving to one step like this. Is everyone remember? Did you remember? Okay, good. So this time we will doing the same thing, but this time your left leg should be bit forward. Yes. Yes. Like this. Okay. Now no rackets now. Keep doing like this, but it is difficult to do with one leg in bit forward. So keep practicing like this. 20 counts. Yes. I am placing camera like this. Your left leg should be bit forward. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now we're having good feet now. So now what we will do, now we'll do one forehand top spin. We'll jump like this and do one more forehand top spin. Jump like this. The same foot position. Left leg should be bit forward. Same the opponent stance. Like this. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. So remember the weight transfer. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. For every stroke, remember the weight transfer. 130-degree, weight on this leg. 90, weight on both legs. 30, weight on left leg. Jump, same thing, yes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Yes, Kira. 1, jump. No. First finish first stroke, then jump. Now jump. Now do. Now yes, do. Now jump. Do. Yes. Jump. While you are jumping, try to bring your hand on the back. Tops in. Now jump. Now while you are jumping, your racket should be moving back. Now jumping, racket back. Jump. The time of pace. Jump. You have to like bring the racket back. Like this. Okay. Yes, keep doing. Yes, Taylor. Do. Yes. Yes. Jump. Yes. Now jump. Yes. Jump. 1. Yes. Jump. Excellent. You're getting good rhythm. Nice one, Junaid. Excellent. Junaid, make your style shorter. Stop in front of your nose. You are going like here. It's too long style. Don't do like this. Stop in front of your nose. Yes, excellent. Yes. Sana. Yes, excellent, Sana. Good job. Hey, come on. Yes. Excellent. Good job. Yes. Wow. Excellent coordination, Ceci. You are doing great job. Woo. Yes, come on. 1 minute more. Come on, keep doing. Yes, Mavish. Stop. Once you reach, then move your hand. Once you reach, then move your hand. You are doing like in the air, you are doing like this. No. You move, then move. Yes. Move. Yes. Come on. Wait your feet to touch the ground. Yes, Maria. Maria, please try to bring your left hand bit lower, little bit low. Left hand, bit low. Yes. Excellent. Yes. Yes, it's okay. This place is okay. Yes. Nice. Nice, Guratulan. Excellent. Guratulan, try to bend from your knees. Don't try to bend from your like this. You will be tired. Okay? So try to bend your hip bone like this and bring your, do like this and rotate your hip bone like this. So once you're like this, it's easy for you. You won't be tired. Most weight would be on legs. Your upper body won't be tired now. Okay, please do. Straight yes back. Open your leg bit. Yes, keep doing the last 30 seconds. Yes. Pratulan, your weight transfer on your left leg is not good. Weight like this. Yes. Okay. Good job. Yes, stop. Yes, take deep breath. Yes. Good job. You can have 1 minute rest, then we are going to question and answer section, okay? 1 minute rest. So here we have 5 minutes for question and answer session. Sorry, I'm sweating. So we have question answer session. So everyone can come close to screen. Yes. So what we have learned today? Today we have learned for basic stroke, forehand option, and this is most important stroke to initiate the ball. If you're not initiating the ball, you can't win good match. So for that, you need to initiate and brush the ball, use your wrist. In next section, we have some more training of forehand option, and we will learn something practical with the wall. So yes, so what is our learning today? That how to brush the ball, what are the angles of racket, what are the angles of our elbow and wrist. So any question about this session or any feedback? You love the session or something? Anyone want to give feedback?
Yes.
Yes.
ये सेशन जो है इट्स रियली गुड, मतलब इसमें हम लोग को इतना इम्प्रूव करने का मौका मिल रहा है और इसके साथ साथ काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जो थी जो पहले नहीं पता थी वो पता चल रही हैं, काफ़ी बेसिक्स जो थे वो इम्प्रूव हो रहे हैं। इसके अलावा और फिजिकल हेल्थ जो है उस पर हम काफ़ी फोकस कर पा रहे हैं ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन। तो अफसार भाई, दिस इज अ हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट कि अगर ये चीज़ जो मतलब आपने सेशन स्टार्ट किए हैं ये अगर कंटिन्यू रहते हैं लॉकडाउन खत्म होने के बाद भी, तो ये हम सब के लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होंगे, स्पेशली उन लोगों के लिए जो बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रूव करना चाह रहे हैं या टेबल टेनिस में अचीव करना चाह रहे हैं।
She loved the session and she want me to continue this session after the lockdown, and definitely I will try to continue. And actually I started this series. It's like we don't have any limit of this series, and I am trying to arrange more sessions. And if anyone have some need something special, so I can arrange any volunteer free sessions for anyone, so let me know. Or anything else, someone feedback or someone want to share something? Yes, Stacy, I want to hear something from you.
एक बात मैं करना चाह रही थी।
Yes, sure.
अगर मतलब एक तो नेट कनेक्टिविटी का थोड़ा सा मसला होता है ना, अगर ये ज़रा सॉल्व हो जाए, क्योंकि फिर दरमियान में कुछ चीज़ों की हमें समझ नहीं आती, बाद में फिर मतलब वो तो ठीक है हम आपसे बाद में पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन दरमियान में फिर कुछ चीज़ों की हमें समझ नहीं आती उस वजह से। So if that issue can be solved.
Actually, you
Otherwise,
know,
the session
it's,
is
it's
good.
technology, and this is the thing, like, you know, the data or Wi-Fi thing that I don't love about this technology, that there are lots of breaks and something. But I'm starting my YouTube channel, separate channel, to upload these videos, so you can watch my sessions after like after every one day I will uploading some my sessions or these sessions. Okay. And one more request to everyone: tomorrow morning, according to Pakistan time, 12 p.m., like about 11:30 a.m., we have a session. Some news channels people are coming to cover our session. If anyone want to come, they can join us tomorrow morning about 11:30. So if anyone want to come on Zoom session, we have session tomorrow, but not so much long session. But it's only for there are some news channel who want to cover. Yes, anyone else? Any feedback?
Can you please send us the link for tomorrow's meeting in the group?
They definitely, I will send.
Otherwise, the session was too good. बहुत informative है, and especially
It's
you.
okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Especially अफसार भाई, the hard work you are doing, it's just great.
Anyone wanna share something? Tila, yes, Stacy.
Yeah, that was a good workout. We're sorry we came late. We were fishing.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
So then we jumped into ping pong. So thank you.
Thank you so much for joining the session.
What
And,
time tomorrow?
Tomorrow it's like I will send you the American time.
Okay.
Sure. And anything else, Tila? And remember, I will come to the Colorado for ship fishing.
Oh, come to Alaska for fishing too.
Yes, Tila, definitely.
Thank you so much. I learned so much about ping pong, about table tennis that I didn't know before. None of those positions I knew before, and now I feel like I want to go and find a real ping pong racket.
Yeah, great. And I will introduce the Tila. She's an Olympian of 2004. She's a wrestler of US team, and she is great. She is an inspiration. And Stacy is from all the way from Colorado. She is like great mentor, and she is our self-defense coach. And she has a very big profile. Okay, so last 3 minutes. Anyone wanna give some feedback, or should we close? Anyone? Sir Hamid, Shakil. Yes, Izha Saeed, I want to hear it from you. Yes, I think so. We are closing now. Thank you so much, everyone. See you guys. Bye-bye.